So somehow I recorded this in hyperspeed and I didn't get the audio. Sorry about that. But basically I was just explaining how the aerator was working and what I was doing and how the ground was pretty dry. So anyway, that's basically it. Sorry about that. Well, I think that's it for the aerating, at least. You know, I'm just gonna have to say it's probably just too dry to be doing this, and last time I did it, it worked a lot better. So I don't see any broken tines at this point, so that's a good sign. Yeah, they're all solid still, so we'll call that part a success at least. Definitely need to go a little deeper, but this is gonna have to do today. I'm not gonna do the entire lawn. Maybe after a good rain and a good soaking, I'll do the rest of it. But for today, I was just trying to get to the point where I could throw down some seed, put straw over it, and run the sprinklers a little bit, I guess, or sprinkler, the hose. And hopefully it'll take. This is like really just crappy durable seed. It's got a mix of it, and there's some rye as well, so something will take, hopefully, to get some roots back in this area out here and help it from eroding away. So I guess I'll do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and seed and put down straw, and we'll wrap it up. But I think that's mainly it though for the aerator part. So you just saw me seed and put the straw down on the other side over there, so I won't repeat that again. But I did want to give you a better look at the aerator, give it a little bit harder workout. I think it did do better up there. The ground must have been a little bit more wet, a little softer than it did down here. But I figured I needed to give you an update. We haven't looked at this in a while, and you've seen me have problems with it, and the manufacturer is really good about sending me new parts. I put the new parts on, no problem, and they seem to be working well right now. So hopefully it continues to hold up. And if, you know, I feel like if it's holding up this well and it's dry, that's helping. Now I also went real slow. I kept it below 5 miles an hour, really mainly around 3, so that I wasn't putting too much of a strain on the thing and ripping it around, especially when I'm turning. I turned real slow, so maybe that helps too. Not that I went that fast before, but I probably got up to 7 or 8 miles an hour before when I did it. And but the ground was a lot softer and wet too. So anyway, I think hopefully that helps. I hope you're glad to see an update on that. I know different folks have asked how it's going, how it's working. So I want to be sure I updated you on that. So that's it for today. Hope you're enjoying beautiful weather outside. Hopefully it's beautiful where you are, or when you're watching this at least. And you're fixing things, creating things, working the land, just doing stuff with your hands, working outside, and getting fresh air and enjoying God's creation. So that's it for TWC Projects. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Share with a friend, click the like. You know the drill. So thank you and have a fantastic week. Until I see you next time, keep getting outdoors and enjoying it. All right, bye now.